Three things bosses need to know about Power BI report that the staff gave them, right? Now, first thing is this pie chart here shows the gender male and female. Now, when you click onto the male pie over here, you will see the rest of the charts, pie charts and column charts here would have shade the charts with two shades, right? The darker shade belongs to the male and the lighter shade belongs to the female, right? Because we select the male. Likewise, for this pie chart here, they also show you the size of the pie belonging to the male employees. Same thing for this one. Now, if you want to go back to the original, just click onto the male pie again, and it gets restored. Now, second thing you need to know about Power BI is that there are three tabs over here. So let's say you want to drill down from January to November here. You want to drill down further. They'll give you by region for all the years. And this will be a breakdown. Okay, now if you don't like to see this, you can also use this icon here to drill down. This will become very complicated. I won't advise you to use. It will show you January for all region. Okay. Now, of course, this is not good. You can also take this icon here to drill down. And this, when you click onto this icon, you can click onto January. And what it does is it will drill down for January numbers into region. So these are January numbers by region. Okay, click onto the drill up button to go up. Now, of course, it will be very difficult to see. So the third thing that bosses need to know is that there is this icon called focus mode. Click onto this focus mode. What it does is it will focus only on this particular chart and combine this with the drill down icon. You can drill down January numbers and break down by region for you. So you actually see a blow up chart without you having to, navigate and everything. So these are the three basic things. Lots of things are still available. These are the three basic things that you need to know in Power BI. If you want to know more, DM me at the comments over here.